Alright, yeah, I get it, I get it. I get it. Thank you. I'm level 0. Oh.
Ravens. Now what? I'm requesting. Oh God, Holmes. That is Holmes' job. Are you kidding? I'm not. A cameo requesting.
I have a little bit of shit in my asshole. Wait, what? What is it then? What is it then? It's not a hit, but what is it?
I'm always going to be 100% honest with you guys. I thought this was a hippo.
And okay, now I see what it is. Is it like a okay? I'm not gonna say that out loud on YouTube. So Woody Schwartz and Dante Well and Axel Spot got on TikTok 951 Robbie, and we got Sit Side Doll. What the fuck? The fuck? Oh, okay. No, no, that's weird. Family house is at night. Oh, let me see. Don't shake my leg. the Fridge Explorer? What?
Why did that shit on your fucking head?
Okay. Well,
I just be laughing my way to the bank.
man's getting out of breath. That one line.
The scheduled draining of the Colton Reservoir was put on hold when city workers discovered the remains of more than a dozen animal corpses. The bodies are reported as being in various states of mutilation. Authorities believe the carcasses are from packs of wandering wild dogs, with them most likely to be rabid. Cautioned to refrain from consuming any water sourced from the reservoir and be on the lookout for potentially dangerous animals that are not.
Yeah.
Where the hell am I?
Hey, don't move.
You can do this.
Those dumbasses.
Is this even
Kind of too.
Can I get through here? Nobody escapes me.
Oh shit! I did not even fucking see him. Alright.
Yes, I can use that.
Where's the door? Oh, fuck! He's going! He's going!
Okay, Anna. Just find another way.
No. Did not even know he was in there. Oh, come on, Giant. What the fuck, dude? Oh, okay. Might last too long.
They're here somewhere.
That's what these motherfuckers are doing.
Need to find a way out.
Midnight Mommy? Okay, this is what Sunny is Midnight Mommy. Got money.
What do we have?
Money, Jojo.
Gotta keep my eyes peeled. They're everywhere.
Shit. You gotta move.
gotta get out of here.
Alright, fuck you too, man. I give up.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
Look. Oh, I didn't even know there was one of the fruit there left.
Well, worth trying. Damn it! Not you too! Ugh. Something useful. Seems safe enough.
And that money.
What's this? I hope this works. Please. It's too quiet. Much too quiet. Okay. Now, where's this go? Nope. Blocked. Come on.
Toby's right from here.
These things are everywhere.
Shit. You might get over. Might go. Connie's at the right at she's at the exit.
What the
No,
hell?
no, Brian. She's being flashed by Johnny, and Connie's dead.
What the hell is going on here? This can't be happening. Where is everybody?
You gotta,
Oh,
you gotta spank her ass. She sent to you, what? She just like looked over you in the bushes and then went back the other way.
I'm sorry to tell you this,
The
but ain't
fuck?
none of y'all getting out of here alive.
Is she dumb or something? Johnny's doing the same thing.
This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now.
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling.
There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling.
Like what, like a fucking plastic dildo or something? I don't think she did. Holy shit, that was close.
Oh, you ain't gonna last much longer, darling.
Time to play.
Maybe she's blind.
You know what happens to bodies when you plant them?
Why are they doing this?
He's trying to like
Don't
swung the
worry.
flies.
Squirming
find
little
you.
bastards. Where did you go?
Where'd y'all run off to? Come on back
Yeah,
now.
shit got
Got
locked.
something I want to show you.
Yeah, I think Nancy saw you.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
Where?
I got it!
Smash. Alright, nice smash. And it went off.